In this video I'm going to do the S hook, which is this one, and you can see it changes directions every single time. Also notice that the little curls are almost even with each other, and if anything they're a little bit higher on the side or lower on the side that they are facing. So this one on the left is lower and then this one on the right is higher, so the angle that's cutting through is a little bit more like that for the small curls. So they should either be flat or a little bit closer to the side that it's curling on. So when I go to work with my wire, I'm going to cut and get a little flat edge. Remember, we always want to start off with a flat end if possible. I'm going to use the tip of my rosary pliers. I'm going to push really hard with my thumb and roll away. I don't want to have any extra wire sticking out. I want the tiniest little circle that I can make. And then if I can't make it all the way around, I can loosen the grip, roll it back, re-squeeze the grip, and then continue the circle. There. Now it's touching and it's flat, and just to make sure that it's flat, you can use your square nose pliers and just make sure that everything is flat and even there. So it was rolling away from me, but now I need this part here to roll back to me. So I can either change my grip, or I could just keep my pliers right here and pull the wire. You see how it's coming back? So I was doing this and I was pulling the wire. I am going to change my grip now. So instead of this post being in the wire, I'm going to switch and I'm going to put this outside one by turning my hand and reinserting it. And that's allowing me to use the leverage on the pliers to roll that back. Okay, so rewind that part if you need to, because I switched from here to here. So that was me changing my grip. So if my wrist is bent and away from me, it's really tough. But if it's toward me, then I have more leverage to move around. And once again, I'm going to take my square nose pliers and just flatten it out. And then to go back the other way, I can use the bottom of the pliers, or I could use a colored pencil. I just need to use something to bend S curve back. So it's a little tricky with the colored pencil. It's a slightly bigger circle, so it'll give you a bigger shape, but it's a little harder to keep the leverage even on it. You can also use this all the way here at the bottom. See how I rolled right past it there? And now I can back it up a little bit. So I have a small curve, a medium, and now a big curve. I want to end up with the last little curl, even right here. So that little curl should be pretty much right there. I'm gripping wire, and then I'm just going to slide it. So I was going to slide away a little bit, not much. If you notice, I'll have most of the hook even on this side of it, not that far away. And I'm back. I can grip this and I can, adjust my grip there, loosen it up, retighten it. I can pull this wire really tight around there, and then I can snip right where they meet. And then don't forget the square nose pliers, because that's sticking up. Just flatten it out. And then you can just shape it. If there's gaps, just kind of pinch it and shape it. So now I have my little S curves.